Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make custom icons and other fields using Adobe Reader. First of all, you need to keep in mind that Adobe Reader must be used for all of the editable PDFs that I create. So if you don't yet have Adobe Reader, make sure to go to adobe.com and download their free reader. It should work on both Macs and on PCs. Then you're going to open up your files and you're going to see something that looks like this. And you're going to say, I wonder what that is. Well, here's the magic. It is your editable form or page. So I'm going to put right here first, and I can add in my very own font here by just changing the font around, making it whatever I want. And then I'm going to say, last, and now I have 3 custom icons that say first, then, and last. And I'm going to click down here. Do you see the little arrow, the little finger? I'm going to click on that blank area and it's going to open it up and it's going to say select image. And now I can go to browse and I can go to any of my images. So let's say I want to choose a photograph of the product itself that I am working with right now. I go in, I take a few pictures, I put them in. Okay, and let's say here, I'm like, no, I don't need a photo for this one. I'm going to go and actually, I am going to use a photo, but I'm going to use something totally different. I'm going to go to a different part of my computer. I'm going to find this great picture of a gorilla with a communication board. He's going to go right here. And here you go. I have 3 custom icons that I can use in my all-in-one binder or whatever else I am using my editable form for. Then I want to make sure to go to File and do a Save As and give it a new name, because you never know when you're going to want to do it again and create a new version of it. I hope this is helpful. I hope you have fun creating your very own custom, boxes, squares, routines, icons, whatever it is you're creating. Have fun.